Chargebee Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think subscription billing is simple, but you won't believe what happens next when recurring payments, taxes, and invoices spiral out of control without the right platform. Chargebee is a subscription management and billing platform for businesses of all sizes. It automates invoicing, subscription tracking, payment collection, and even compliance with global tax regulations. The surprising truth about Chargebee is that it's not just for tech companies. E-commerce, SaaS, and membership-based businesses all benefit from its flexible subscription management, smart analytics, and integrations with payment gateways. Most people get this wrong. They assume subscription platforms are only about payments. In reality, Chargebee helps reduce churn, improves revenue recognition, and provides insights that guide business growth. Using Chargebee is straightforward. You configure products, set pricing models, automate invoicing, and let the platform handle renewals, trials, and payment reminders. Chargebee is best for businesses with recurring revenue who want to streamline operations and reduce manual billing errors. The surprising truth is that automation and analytics together can make subscription-based businesses more efficient and profitable. Subscribe for more honest SaaS platform reviews that help your business scale smarter.